Hey everybody, it's been a real long time. It's been over a year. This video I'm getting ready to put out is I kind of screwed up. I released a fish that should have been burped, but the fish when he hit the deck did burp, but apparently it wasn't enough. So we elected to hurry up, go grab this fish, and put him back on the deck because he went belly up as soon as we released him. He was struggling trying to get down. So we went and got this fish, put him back on the deck, and normally when you put them on a deck they'll burp. No big deal, you release them. Well, something I don't like to do is I don't like to run a tube or anything down a fish's gullet. So we had a dragon weight, and it's a real soft, like a latex rubber. It's real flexible, and we put that down the gullet, got this fish to burp. If nobody's ever seen it, getting ready to watch the video of it. So y'all enjoy it. Come on. He ain't a monster. Come on, get out of that line. Yeah. Just barely got him hooked.
That's your biggest one today, ain't it?
Yep. That's 11.
You get your picture?
Now we gotta go for 15.
You get your picture?
Yeah.
Hand me that phone, Andy. Can you smile?
No.
Great move, Andy.
Get around here, try to find another good tree.
Fish belly up.
Yeah.
Doing that bad today,
I tried to bring him up slow too. He'll burp. He'll be all right.
Andy, we might have to go grab that fish and burp it.
Got him. Alright, you're going to hear this fish when I roll him over and I get him down here on the deck. You're going to hear him burp. I think he went right there. There you go, buddy. That's what we was looking for. Now this is a silicone dragon weight. It's a real soft latex tube, and we're gonna make sure that this fish has all the air out of his belly here before we release him.
There he went. Belly got littler.
Dropping head first in, and I set him down.
So about just sticking him in there with the net, see what he'll do.
Nothing's all right. Burping, riding on the deck.
Yeah, I'm watching this fish to make sure he's not gonna turn belly up while he's in the net. Once I see that, I'll go ahead and I'll flip him out of the net, and he takes off. There you go. Like I said, he's not a monster, but you want to do everything you can to save these fish. There he goes. Hey, thanks for watching. Been a long time since I've had to burp a fish like this. Y'all, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, it's free. Until next time, keep your powder dry.